Hello everyone, it's Jason here with MarineMax Dallas, and today I'm standing in front of a pre-owned boat. It is a 2018 Harris Grand Mariner 250. This boat has been super well cared for, is in good condition. All right everyone, I'm actually on board the Grand Mariner 250 right now. A couple cool things I like about this boat is the sheer size of this furniture. It is massive, you feel safe inside of it, and it's really comfortable too as well. Not to mention it's got some awesome little towel holders or hold your bag or whatnot for the day. Coming back to the boat here, this is the optional table system here for the Grand Mariner that was ordered in 2018. This actually pops up right here, kind of extends that a little bit. Got a lid here, you can put in some ice, keep your drinks cool. Working our way back here on the boat. This is where it happens out on the lake, in my opinion, is back here on the boat. And this boat was rigged with the swim seat by Harris, and not to mention the power ladder. Power ladder makes it easy to get in and out of the water without having to do it in the water. And not to mention the big Merc 300 Pro. So for more information on this boat or any of our other boats, my name is Jason here with MarineMax Dallas.